Hello and welcome to today's class. Here the question is solve 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x equal to 80. This is a simple exponential challenge. The left-hand side quantity are of the same values. So we can factor one of them out. Okay, but first let's take our solution. All right, so if we factor 4 to the power of x from here, we're going to have this 1 plus 1, which is equals to 80. I believe this is simple. Then, if we sum up this is going to give us 4 to the power of x times 2 equal to 80. Quickly divide by 2, then we also divide this by 2. And so this and this will leave. The 2 here, 1, 2 here will give us 40. So we now have our 4 to the power of x is equal to 40. Now the figures look similar, but here we are having 4 as the base number, and we cannot express 40 in base 4. Neither can we express it in base 2, because we can equally express this in base 2. And so we just have to simplify this down. How do I mean? We can break this down to give us 2 times 2, which is 4, times 10. Okay, so let's rewrite this. This will give us 4 to the power of x is equals to 2 times 2, then times 10. And we know 2 times 2 could be written as 2 to the power of 2, right? Good. So this gives us 4 to the power of x is equal to our 2 to the power of 2 times 10. Now, what is the next thing to do here? It is easy. We want to log both sides of this equation. How do I mean? Because we cannot express this in base 2. And so we want to log everything here and log everything here. And we're going to take the ln, okay? ln base e, or we could equally use log base 10, right? But let's make use of the ln. So from here, if we ln both sides, we're going to give us the ln of our 4 to the power of x is equals to the ln in bracket our 2 to the power of 2, then times r10 close bracket. All right, now let's check this out here. We are having a property of logarithm playing out. We call it the power law of logarithm. On this other side, we are having the multiplication law of logarithm and also the power law also here. But let's deal with the multiplication law first, and here we deal with the power law here. And what does the power law say? It says that if you have the ln of let's take our p all to the power of q, then say move this power to this side, and so this is going to give us our q times the ln of our p. So we're going to move the whole of this x to this side. Then the multiplication law says that if you have the ln of your p, then times your q, this is equal to the ln of your p plus the ln of your q. Okay, so we're going to apply that here. So writing these two expressions, we're going to have a x times the ln of 4 equal to the ln of 2 to the power of 2, then plus the ln of 10. Right? Good. So we cannot divide both sides of this equation by the ln of 4. We can equally divide everything here by the ln of 4 also. So this and this will leave. So we are now left with just x on the left hand side. So we have our x will now be equal to this expression we have here. We're going to move this power backward, and 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2, and we're going to move the power backward also. So this is going to give us our 2, the ln of our 2 plus ln of 10. Everything all over 2 ln of 2. Okay, now we can rewrite this again. If we rewrite this is going to give us 2 ln of 2 all over 2 ln of 2 plus our ln of 10 all over 2 ln of 2. This has not changed, right? Good, because they have a common denominator and we can sum up the numerator and that will give us that back, right? Okay, what we do next here is this. You discover the numerator is same with the denominator. So we're going to have 1 here, right? So we're going to have this to be our 1 plus the ln of 10 all over 2 ln of 10. If you input this into your calculator, this is going to give you 1.6609620, right? Something like that. Okay, so this is going to give us our 1 plus 1.6609620. So if we sum up everything, so we're going to have, therefore, our x is equal to 2.66 approximately. All right. So if you impute this into this equation, it's going to give you the approximate value, very close, very, very close to the very answer here. Okay, it's an approximate value, not an exact value. All right, so this brings us to the end of this class. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you, my returning subscribers, and thank you for new subscribers. Thank you for new viewers. You're welcome all the time. And we release videos all the time for your learning, for your fun. Thanks for watching. Till we see you in our next class. Keep winning.